Now, absolute value is probably one of the easiest things that we are going to learn in math this year, okay? The symbol for absolute value is just 2 lines, okay? So the absolute value, let's start with an easy one, the absolute value of 2. What this means is I want to find out how far the number 2 is away from 0. So if I were to start at 0, 1, 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. Now on the opposite side of that, I have the absolute value of negative 3. Once again, figuring out how far away negative 3 is from 0. So I can either start at 0 or I can start at negative 3. But remember, when I move, it's impossible to move a negative distance. So I moved over 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot. So I moved over 3 spaces. So the absolute value of negative 3 is just 3. An easy way to remember that, whatever number's inside my absolute value is just going to become positive. And I can use this also when I'm telling distance here. So if I wanted to know the distance on my number line or on my coordinate plane between this negative 3 and this positive 2, I can use this absolute value. To go from negative 3 to 0, I technically moved an absolute value of negative 3, which had a distance of 3. And I moved an absolute value of 2 more, meaning I moved 2 more. So I moved 3, and I moved another 2, giving me a total of 5. So the distance between those 2 points, this negative 3 and this positive 2, is actually going to be 5.